In this brand new video, you will now discover iterations in Python, using for and while loops, so you can improve the execution flow of your program. Please, do not forget to smash that like button, for the YouTube algorithm, since it does really help supporting us, and providing new free content, once a week. Are you interested to be part of this community? All the links are in the description below. Now, let's play this video. In each example you have seen so far, the entire body of the while loop is executed on each iteration. It is all very well, but quite limited, right? Fortunately, Python provides two keywords, break and continue, which terminate the current loop iteration, prematurely, without even checking the test expression. Please note that break and continue work the same way with for loops, as with while loops. Now, let's take a look at how you can use these control statements. Break in while loop. Break in Python is a control flow statement that is used to exit the execution as soon as the break is encountered. The Python break statement immediately terminates a loop entirely. Consequently, the program execution then proceeds to the first statement following the loop body. Let's understand how you can use a break statement in while loop using an example. So, let's say you have a list with strings as items. You want to exit the loop using the break statement as soon as the desired string is encountered. In the above example, as soon as the loop encounters the space character, it will enter the if statement block where the break statement will exit the loop straight away. Thus, it will only print digital. Did you get it? Then let's practice. It's your turn now. Suppose you have a list of colors, red, green, blue, yellow, and you want to print each color, but break the loop when it encounters blue. How would you proceed? What output would you get? Here is a solution. First, let's declare a list, in which you added all of the colors red, green, blue, yellow. Then, iterate throughout this list, using while statement, while colors. It will create an iterator, and the variable color will get the first value inside the list, on each iteration, until the execution has reached the last item in the sequence and the list becomes empty. When it encounters the item blue, you do not want to execute the code that comes next, but exit the loop, if color equals blue, break. In all the other cases, as it would be with an else statement, you want to print out the current color. As you may have guessed, the loop will print red, green, and stop as soon as it has encountered item blue. Congrats, you just wrote your first while loop on your own. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.